Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how we can add the announcement bar to Squarespace. So what we're going to be doing is clicking on Pages, then come down to Website Tools, click on that, and then we'll see the announcement bar. Click on that, and as you can see, we have the option to disable and enable. So let's enable it. Then we can write our own text. So let's just say, instead of example, we can say this is example. Save that. And if we want to change the coloring of that, what we want to be doing is clicking on Edit, coming into this view, clicking on Site Styles, grabbing the color, seeing which color we use. We'll then use the darkest. Click on that. Then click on the announcement bar. And as you can see, we have these options. So let's just do this brown color and also let's do this white color. So that was a very quick tutorial on how you can add the announcement bar to Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to hire me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.